You don't know the secrets behind the major trend reversals? You are beginner in trading and you are disappointed of making profit? You miss out trading positions and feel left behind of market? You failed with reversal in trends and you can't find out the reason? You can't get hold of your thoughts and are looking for a quick way to salvation? Major trend reversals are one of the most critical concepts of price action that you must master before placing any trade. Price action trading is based on simple and logical principles. You just have to identify the new trend and enter in its direction. Best reward to risk ratio could be achieved if we open position in the early stages of the trend. That is why trend reversals are very important and we must have clear rules to define them. Stay with us till the end of this session to break your old habits and to see a path to glory. In this session of our free price action course, we are going to discuss importance of reversals in trading. Major trend reversals in price action are one of the hottest topics that every trader regardless of their experience should master it. First of all, we are going to discuss the nature of major trend reversals. Then in second part we are going to introduce an optimized setup aligned with MTR. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe. See you after intro. Hello everybody, Smart Money Atlas is in the house. For sure you have heard of price action and you wonder what it is. We strongly suggest you watch our first session to have a perfect vision of the matter. Previously in our course we've underscored multiple times the importance of a trader's ability to choose the best trades and avoid losers as much as possible, in order to become consistently profitable. Gaining that ability, of course, requires a lot of practice, sometimes even years of trading, but it is a goal every trader should strive to complete. We have previously said that one of the most successful ways to profit from trading is to bet in the direction of the market during strong trends, and especially on pullbacks to the moving average. Moreover, we expressly emphasized that traders, especially less experienced ones, should avoid going against the market until it has entered a definite trading range or a major trend reversal has occurred. If you would like to learn a thing or two about major trend reversals, please stay with us until end of this session. The term major trend reversal means different things to different traders, and no one can say with certainty that the trend has reversed until the move has gone on for at least enough bars for the always in position to change direction in the eyes of most traders. Major trend reversals signify a complete shift in market momentum, which had continued for at least a couple of hours, and sometimes even for days. The best trend reversal patterns unfold after a major trend line is broken, which indicates that the counter-trend traders have established partial control over the market and are growing in strength. A major trend reversal means that there are two trends on the chart, with a reversal in between them where either a bull trend has reversed into a bear trend or a bear trend has reversed into a bull trend. This type of reversal is different from the many up and down reversals on the chart that usually move far enough for a trade, but not far enough to change the direction of the major trend. The earliest signals for most major trend reversals have a low probability of success, but offer the largest reward, often many times greater than the risk. 4 things are needed for a major trend reversal. A trend on the chart. A counter-trend move. A reversal that is strong enough to break the trend line and usually the moving average. A test of the trend's extreme. And then a second reversal. And the second reversal going far enough for there to be a consensus that the trend has reversed. Virtually all major trend reversals begin with either a trend line break or a trend channel line overshoot and reversal, and all of those eventually break the trend line when there is a reversal. Major trend reversals behavior is similar to breakout patterns discussed in previous session with some differences. MTRs alarm us before occurring and candlestick patterns signals the change in trend. They definitely give alert trades a window of opportunity to open their position. Look at this example, it is euro to dollar chart in 5-minute time frame. There is clear reversal happening in trend. If you are beginner in trading, you have at least half a dozen candles to watch before entering a position. That means you have at least 30 minutes of thinking in your favor. This makes MTRs more suitable for trading for beginners than breakout patterns. In breakout patterns it is urgent to act immediately to gain a reasonable profit. In the previous sessions we said that often when the market breaks the trend line and the resistance or support zones after a protracted trend, and especially when it does not have a strong momentum, it usually reverses back and tests the trend's extreme. These extremes are called edge zones. This is the strongest type pullback and usually precedes a trend reversal. After the trendline break, the price usually reverses back with a two-legged move that undershoots or overshoots the previous trend extreme, and it is very likely that the trend will reverse, which makes it a suitable entry point for a counter-trend bet. The two pushes to the new extreme attempt to re-establish the old trend and that possibly failed second attempt to penetrate the previous resistance, the current trend extreme, has a strong chance of a reversal move with at least two legs which often transit into a new trend. However, if the market penetrates the trend's extreme and continues beyond it, then the trend is likely resuming and you must wait for a new trend line and moving average break. Major trend reversals give a good reward to risk ratio because you can wait and enter position from these edges. In general, there is three types of MTRs happening in the market. In next session we are going to examine more advanced major trend reversal patterns. Therefore, subscribe and turn on notification. You do not want to miss it. For the sake of education, only bullish trends will be discussed here, but it is more than obvious that inverse is true in bearish trends. Major trend reversals with lower high is shown here. Price after breaking the trend line has a pullback to upper edge, but the momentum is not enough and instead of making a new higher high it forms a lower high. Bulls get disappointed to regain the market control and new bears enter in second leg, then a reversal in trend occurs. Major trend reversal with pullback to trend line. Look at this diagram. Price after breaking the trend line has a pullback to it again. Then the second leg pullback starts and exceeds to new lower lows. Finally, major trend reversal with new higher high. In this case, after breaking the trend line, price continues to make a last higher high, but from there it changes course and a major trend reversal undergoes in the market. In conclusion, a trend reversal is a change in the direction of the price trend of an asset. This change in direction can be to the upside or downside. The trend reversal strategy is any analysis or trading technique a trader uses to identify the end of one trend and the beginning of another. Trend reversal strategies can be used on any time frame and can mean the difference between a big win, a break-even, or a loss, as being able to effectively spot a reversal is the fastest way to get into a potentially profitable trade. Here is simple reversal setup that by mastering it you will be able to catch big swings in the market. It is more suitable in 1 hour chart time frame after witnessing 3 pushes up. Wait for break in trend line. Then enter in position in first pullback. Your stop loss point should be behind the latest higher high. In our back tests, take profit is near second touch of trend line. As easy may it looks, but it is absolutely efficient. Enjoy this strategy and remember, as always, please do your own back test before using any strategy. Stay tuned as we will talk about more advanced major trend reversal patterns in our next session of free price action course.